Dude, Casey, I lost so much money today.
Oh, where'd it go? Like, you think you dropped it here?
No, just look.
Oh, the value of your stocks went down. I see. Wait, actually, bro, come here. I think I might know how to get your money back.
Wait, really? You can do that? You can do that for me?
So before we can talk about why someone wouldn't care about the recession, we need to talk about what is a recession, what are some basic causes, and then we can get into why someone would care about the recession. So let me just read you off the definition of a recession. In economics, a recession is a business cycle contraction when there is a general decline in economic activity. Recessions generally occur when there is a widespread drop in spending.
An adverse demand shock.
So what's going to cause the next recession? Some people say interest rates, some people say it's going to be caused by trade war, some people say that it's going to be caused by the debt levels. I say I'm not concerned. How well you'll do during the recession is determined by the following three things. Number one, how do you view your investments? Number two, what is your plan for retirement? And number three, do you have more than one source of income? How you view your investments. So there's two types of investors out there. There's the speculator and there's the investor. The speculator buys something and they hope that someone will buy it later for more. The investor buys something and holds it for the long term so that it can continue to generate income for them into the future. When it comes to my investments, I don't ever view them as something that I plan to sell. I don't buy something at one price because I think I can sell it at another price. Honestly, if I have to sell something, that's a tragedy. I didn't want to sell it. I'm a primarily dividend-focused investor, so when the economy goes down and the value of those stocks goes down, I jump in and buy more because I'm mostly focused on this bottom line, which I'm probably showing you on the screen right now. I'm worried about how much dividend money I'm making in every month. I'm not worried about the other number, which is how much I could sell it for today, because I don't ever plan to sell it. So whether the economy drops or whether the economy is going up or down or stable, straight to the right, that dividend income is going to be coming in regardless. So that raises the question, why hold any growth stocks? Well, when you hold growth stocks, what you can do is you can use those as collateral when you go to buy real estate. The bank is basically trying to reduce their risk. So if you have these growth stocks sitting over there as collateral, they're more likely to give you a loan. And this is just a personal preference thing. I don't really have a timeline for buying real estate. I just plan to buy it when I can, whenever I see a deal and whenever I have the money. So if the stocks happen to plummet at a certain time and then I find a deal, well, I just won't do that deal because I don't have the money to do it. Number two, your plan for retirement. So the traditional view of retirement is that you save up a certain amount and then you take out 4% of that every year, taking away your principal balance. And then what you do is you just hope that you die by a certain point. And if you don't, the better way to think about your retirement is that you need to generate a passive income stream that completely covers your living expenses so that you don't have to worry about anything throughout your retirement. And this can be done early on. You don't have to wait until you're 65 to do this. You can do it now. You can do it as soon as possible. Reason number three that people are worried about the recession is they only have one source of income. During a recession, we see a decrease in spending, which means a decrease in earnings for business, which means a decrease in employment by those businesses. So my heart really does go out to the people who, in the recession, they end up losing their job and they have, a family to take care of and all of those things. However, the only way to hedge against that is to have a side hustle, have one or two side hustles, something that you love to do, something that you can make some extra income on the side. I'll put a couple side hustles on the screen right now. Consider getting one of these. If the economy does go to Consider getting one of these. If the economy does go down, you're gonna need something else to do. If I lost my job right now, I wouldn't have to worry about it because if you take my job out of the equation, I still have enough income to support my lifestyle. All right, last thing I wanna go over is I am putting the smack down. I'm trying to encourage people to invest, and how I'm doing that is I'm introducing the Robinhood challenge. So essentially what you can do is DM me and challenge me. You have to deposit a certain amount into your account every month, and we're gonna see who can get the better returns. I've got one challenger so far, a friend. Depending on who you are is gonna be obviously what I feel comfortable, having the bet be, but I think that should be a good way to get some engagement, and it should be pretty fun. I know this is a pretty quick video. Hopefully you guys liked it. If you did like it, give it a like. Go ahead and share it wherever you share cool stuff, and I'll see you guys next time.